Hi everyone, little update on the thumb on my CB65. As you can see here, I did this plate here, this piece of metal, welded it. John, on yours, this piece here is more in an angle like this. Mine is curved the other way, and what happened is when I pick up a big piece of rock, it slides. I didn't try log with it yet because it's too muddy outside, and but what I did is this piece here, only thing left to do is drill 2 holes here, and it slides in and out, guys. So let me take my other hand here. There you go. And I'm gonna go where the sunlight here. As you can see here, it's all muddy all around, so I didn't get the tractor out today, but I did build this piece here. It's 3/16 of an inch thick. I need to cut here and this piece here and drill 2 holes so it sticks together when it goes. And I did try to make the same shape of teeth as on the original thumb. I didn't want to drill any holes in the thumb and didn't want to weld anything on it, so I did this piece here, and it's just to try. If it's not thick enough, what I will do is take same steel as this here. And I really like the thumb, guys, and the thing is, it's just that the way it's shaped here, rocks have a tendency of slipping out of it, and with this here, this hat on, and the way it's shaped, it's going to be more round, and that's it. It's built pretty strong. I might put the hydraulic cylinder here, and I like the way it came out here. Those two is going to go between those two there's inside of those here, so can't wait to try it. But first I'll need to drill 2 holes, 2 cuts, pin it up, and same thing here. Let me take the light if it comes. Here you can see the bucket, the thickness of the bucket there, guys. And this piece here, this is about 1/4 3/8. This is about 1/2 inch, guys, the difference. This is a piece of the bucket here, and this is a piece of the thumb. And the bucket, the thumb is a lot thicker than a piece of the bucket there, so put the light here, and that's it. I just did build this afternoon, and I didn't have the time to take my camera and film. The battery was dead on the camera, so till it charged, I had the time to do this piece here. But it's not hard to do. It's just some piece of metal welded together, cut, and this here I did a design on the cardboard, draw it on this, did this piece, put the other piece on the other side on this one, and did shape it the same as this one, so they're equal. And it looks pretty nice, guys. Can't wait to try it. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up. Until next time.